Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. As a high-performance material, alumina rods play a vital role in many fields such as biomedicine and chemical engineering. However, its brittle properties make alumina rods vulnerable to damage during long-term use, thus affecting their performance and life. Because of its brittleness, the alumina rod is easily affected by external force during handling and installation, and cracks or spalling occur. In order to prevent such mechanical damage, the first priority is to adopt the correct handling method. At the same time, the use of cushioning materials such as cushion and foam to wrap the alumina rod can effectively absorb the impact force and prevent damage caused by collision. In biomedical, chemical processing and other applications, the surface cleanliness of alumina rod is directly related to its performance. Therefore, it is very important to choose the appropriate cleaning method. Abrasive cleaners or hard brushes should be avoided to avoid scratching the surface of the alumina rod and affecting its smoothness and tightness. It is recommended to use a non-abrasive cleaner with a soft cloth to effectively remove stains and protect the surface of the material. The storage environment is critical to maintaining the performance of alumina rods. Extreme temperature or humidity conditions can cause changes in the internal structure of alumina rods, which in turn affect their physical and chemical properties. At the same time, keep the storage space well ventilated to reduce the impact of humidity fluctuations on the material. Through reasonable storage management, the service life of alumina rods can be effectively extended to ensure that they maintain the best performance during use. Contact ATCERA right now.